Nam, Nam, Nam. Stand next to the people.
Can you hear me? I can hear you.
Hello, today I'm talking about healthy eating pyramid. Do you want to live healthily?
Yes, we do. Guys, you want to live healthily?
No.
You want to eat healthily? Yeah. Yes, we do. Nam, yes, we do.
Eating healthy if you feel great and help you have more energy.
Yes.
Yeah. At the top of the pyramid, where it's sweet and salty food. You can eat and enjoy it, but don't eat too much because too much sugar and salt is bad for you. Next is
Excuse me, Nam. Can you point to the picture and look at the camera, please?
next is dairy products. It's like milk, cheese, and yogurt. It's very important because they have calcium and keep your bones healthy.
Nam. Sometimes look at the camera, okay? Sometimes look at the camera. Look here. Yeah.
Next is high protein
Foods.
food like meat, fish, egg is important too.
Why is high protein food is
Because
important?
it keeps our body healthy and it gives have more energy.
Next.
The next is whole grain food. Whole grain food gives you healthy whole grain in bread, cereal, pasta, and rice. Finally is vegetable. Vegetable is the most important part of healthy diet. They have lots of vitamin.
Okay, so should we eat a lot of vegetables and fruits?
Yeah,
Why?
because these have lots of vitamin.
Okay, thank you, Nam.